Hi guys! In this video, I will guide you on how to flash the AlphaDroid ROM on your Redmi Note Pro 5G. First thing you need to do is to power off your device and reboot to fast boot mode. To boot to fast boot, you need to hold the volume plus and power button simultaneously. You can lift the power button once Mi logo pops up, then connect your device to PC via USB cable. Now, on your PC, you need to download these files. Download links are provided in the description box below. To proceed, click the directory URL and type CMD. Once CMD pops up, type the following commands shown on the lower left portion of the screen. Once boot image has been flashed, we need to forced reboot our device into recovery mode. We can do this by holding volume plus and power button simultaneously. You can lift the power button once fast boot logo disappears, but keep holding the volume plus button. Now we're in the recovery mode. We need to format the device by going to factory reset option, then format data. Once done, go to apply update option and select apply from ADB. To flash the AlphaDroid ROM, we need to open again the CMD by typing CMD on the directory URL. Once CMD pops up, flash by following the commands shown on the lower left portion of the screen. Flashing the ROM may take some time. At the end of flashing, your device will receive this notification. Once this pops up, just hit yes to proceed. Your device will quickly reboot back to recovery. Once done, you can now safely reboot to system. If all instructions were done correctly, you should get this AlphaDroid boot up screen. Just proceed to usual setup of the device, and you're good to go. Here's a quick preview of the AlphaDroid ROM running on the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G. Enjoy and thanks for watching, guys! Don't forget to subscribe and follow.